case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1994, the United States Court of Appeals for the Eighth Circuit presided over a legal dispute between Daisy Manufacturing Company and NCR Corp. The case focused on whether a valid agreement with an arbitration provision existed between the two parties, and if the dispute fell under the scope of that agreement. Daisy Manufacturing Company had been involved in a legal dispute over arbitration and court proceedings with NCR Corp. In 1976, NCR had signed a universal agreement with Daisy Division Victor Comptometer Corporation, which included an arbitration provision for any disputes related to the agreement. In 1983, Daisy Manufacturing Company was created and purchased assets from Kitty Recreation Products, Inc., which had acquired the Daisy Division. Both companies continued to use the name Daisy Manufacturing Company interchangeably. The Court of Appeals ruled that Daisy Manufacturing Company was bound by the arbitration provision, and its claims against NCR Corp. Were subject to arbitration. The lower court had initially denied the motion to compel arbitration and stay the proceedings. However, the Court of Appeals overturned this decision, holding that Daisy Manufacturing Company was bound by the arbitration provision in the Universal Agreement and Purchase Order. The case was remanded for arbitration, and legal proceedings were stayed. The court also dismissed fraud claims as incomprehensible.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.